Hey y'all, what's up? I'm back with another video. I know I told y'all I was gonna be back the same day or that next day when I posted that a little Christmas haul thingamajig, but I didn't. But today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean out my refrigerator because it's due to be clean, and I'm going grocery shopping tomorrow, hopefully. I was gonna go today, but then I said no, let me go home. Just got off of work and go home and clean my refrigerator out. Then it'll be ready and clean for groceries. It ain't like nasty or nothing. It just, how refrigerators are. They just need to be clean. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm basically gonna be using some disinfectant spray for it. All-purpose disinfectant spray. I need to get some stuff specifically for refrigerator if they sell stuff like that. But it's called multi-surface and antibacterial cleaner. It's a lemon scent, so I'm gonna use that. That should be good. And I'm throwing out a lot of stuff too that I don't need. I'm gonna put a towel down here on the floor because I have cold floor, so I'm gonna sit on that or whatever. But let me get a bag that I am going to be putting trash in. Stuff that I'm throwing away basically. And some stuff in here need to be thrown away. Some bacon, I don't think it's no good. Some cheddar cheese. Shredded cheese. I don't think it's no good though. It don't smell right. So yeah, I had bought a big bag. It don't smell right. And I had some turkey bacon. And I had some burritos. And they taste funny when I warm them up. It got like a different type of refrigerator smell or something. I don't know. But yeah. And then I got some sour cream in here I'm gonna throw away. I think this onion dip ain't no good. What's the expiration date? Say January 2022. Let me see. I'm gonna throw it away. If I want some, I just buy some more. What else? It's some juice in here. I don't know if it's any good. They ever had that? It's real good, but I don't know is it any good though. It stink. What's the expiration date on it? I guess I had to buy me another one tomorrow and make sure I drink all that. But it's like a health drink. It ain't. It's like 13 serves of fruit. The Blue Goodness. So only 160 calories. So I'm gonna pull it out. Pour it down the sink. Yeah, I just got home and I just turned my heat up. So I'm gonna take this jacket off. Trying to see what kind of view I'm gonna give you all close. I don't know where I can sit y'all at. Got all these rags. Alright, y'all. Got this phone holder, so I'm gonna try to sit y'all in the phone holder and then I'm gonna have to sit y'all on the floor with me. So if I sit y'all right here, y'all can only see nothing. Hold on. I can pull y'all up some like that. Y'all can see that, but I'm finna pull all that out. I'm gonna take everything out my refrigerator. Everything. This going in the trash. There was some bacon bits. How many of y'all keep y'all flour in the refrigerator? I do. I got a lot of condiments from restaurants and stuff. They give me too many. And I just bring them home and put them in my refrigerator. And I always use them. And I'm making a list of what I need from the grocery store too. I'm gonna need more eggs. Milk, more bread, some more water, some more tea. I drink green tea, y'all. That's the bomb.com. Ooh, refrigerator don't got, well, my counter don't got food. Use the other counters top. Y'all still got Halloween candy in the refrigerator, y'all. Halloween candy. I'm gonna show y'all the refrigerator before I start. Show y'all it's not nasty. It just hasn't been cleaned, so you know, there's no spots or nothing. So show y'all. That's the refrigerator. It's pretty clean. Oh, I think I got butter in here. Yep, and an Arby's sauce. But there's nothing down here. I think I'm gonna put my water down there. Like I said, it's practically clean. I'm just gonna, you know, spray it down some more or whatever. Okay, I'm back, y'all. But yeah, showed y'all the refrigerator. This is a spray I'm using. And I got one of my clean dishcloth rags. It was brand new. It's never been used before. I got a brand new one out of the drawer or whatever. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna spray this down everywhere. And I'm gonna take these racks out though. Yeah, I'm gonna take the racks out and sit them in the sink for right now. So how y'all been doing? Hope y'all been being safe, wearing your mask, washing your hands, using hand sanitizer. You know all that good stuff. I think I sprayed too much disinfectant. You need that much. I wore my boots today, y'all. My gray fur boots. It's cold. I think it's like 40-some degrees outside. Here in Georgia. And down here in Georgia, we got this little voting thing for Senate that's going down here in Georgia. I voted. What's today? Today's Thursday. I voted on Tuesday. When I got off of work, I went to vote. Y'all, because you got to get somebody in office who's going to do right, you know, by all people. All race, all gene, all that. Not just one type of race you gonna help, or what type of religion you gonna help, or color your skin, none of that. How much money you make, you know, all people. So you just gotta get the right people in the office for that to happen. And this the bottom piece, y'all. I put too much disinfectant. smells good in here though. Really, that's all it needs, a refreshing smell. Whew. Too old for this. But, whew, y'all. Whew. Put too much disinfectant in this refrigerator. Now, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna have to let this soak. You know, not soak, but dry out. But I gotta wash this other stuff out. I gotta after this I gotta go wrap the rest of the gifts, cause y'all, can y'all believe we got less than 2 weeks left before Christmas? This whole year has been a roller coaster for everybody. And you know, it's finally about to be over, you know. And hopefully this world go back to normal. Hopefully. So yeah, for right now we just gotta continue to wear our mask, wash our hands, and be safe. All right, that's enough. And my freezer, I need to clean it too, but I ain't really got nowhere to put the stuff that's in there. It's not much. I don't have much food because there's no one here but me, so there's not much stuff in there. I'm gonna show y'all my freezer. Oh, that's just the stuff going in the refrigerator. This is my freezer, basically. Nothing. Some stuff need to be going in the trash too, so I'm gonna do that next. But right now, try to get this refrigerator to dry out, and then I'm gonna wash these racks. I just need to wash them off, that's all. They're amazing. Because they already been sprayed down while they was in the refrigerator. I was spraying it. I had sprayed them down. Nothing much today. I ain't got hardly no counter space, y'all. I got a lot of counter space, but then I don't. About the same much I had at my other apartment. No, I think it's less because I had like I call it a bar, but it wasn't a bar. So I had my bar stools there. And that's why I sat and ate. I ate in the kitchen. Because I didn't have a table, but now I got a table. Ooh, y'all almost fell. I almost lost you. I'm gonna get this open. Okay. I'm gonna show y'all once I get this one back in. Okay, there we go. That's the refrigerator without the drawers and the other thing. The drawers and stuff right here is on top of the stove. So I'm gonna put that piece back in. Then I am going to start putting everything back in the refrigerator. Watch me work. Okay, y'all, the bottom drawers, I'm gonna put all my water there because I got a whole case of water. I ain't gonna be able to put all of it there. I got a 32 case of water. So I'm not gonna put my tea there. I'm gonna put the water that's already in the refrigerator in the drawers. Which one but 3? Thought I had more water than that. Yeah, I'm here putting water in because those 3 bottles of water probably gone by today. I'm chilling me some water, y'all. Actually, these 3 bottles of water will go in the dough because they already cold. Yep. All the water wasn't gonna fit. Okay. It's over there right now. Now I'm gonna start putting stuff in the refrigerator. I put my flour in the refrigerator, y'all. I don't know why. I always have. That's actually a new pack because I actually have my flour in a container. But the container is full. Butter. The open pack of Bluebonnet. Okay, mustard, mayonnaise. And I'm gonna throw this ketchup away, so I'm gonna get some more ketchup. Let me put ketchup. Yeah. And that's the Kroger brand too. So ketchup. I'm gonna get some more mayo too. I don't need no bread. I forgot I got a whole loaf of bread in the freezer. Okay, barbecue sauce. Ragu. Hurry up because it's light blanket. Jalapenos. Taco Bell hot sauce. Ranch. Syrup. Ketchup going in the trash. I got eggs, but 2, 4, 7 eggs. 7 eggs. So, some more of those. And just crackers. And all my condiments. I'm gonna go right there. Yeah, that Chick-fil-A ain't no joke. That Chick-fil-A and that Polynesian sauce. The best. Oh, and I changed that deluxe Chick-fil-A sandwich for the first time the other day. Baby. It was so good. Now my refrigerator look empty. Oh, I got some more stuff. Wow. My sparkling ice. Strawberry banana body armor. And the green tea I was telling y'all about. Yup. And I have the whole box of Blue Bunny and cheese. Love my cheese, y'all. And that's it, y'all. So y'all, the after my refrigerator look empty. I'm gonna go grocery shopping tomorrow though. I promise. And the water's down there. Oh y'all, look at my shoes. I got the towel down there because I ain't want nothing to be wasted. My boots, they're a couple of years old, but they look new. I know. But now I'm finna show y'all why my refrigerator ain't closing. Something here wrong? Hold on, y'all. Refrigerator ain't closing. Why though? Hold on, y'all. My refrigerator don't want to close. I don't know why. What's wrong, buddy? It ain't. Is it this? Alright, y'all. My phone about to hang up and I can't get my refrigerator closed, so I'll holler at y'all later. Peace.